Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Monday, we saw one more record high for our markets. Nifty managed to climb the levels of 25,900 plus. During the day, the market was into consolidation mode, but the broader pattern is still suggesting us that we are heading higher. 26,000, 26,200 is the area of resistance, and we could see these levels in the near term. The strategy should be to buy on dips because the markets are going up without any major correction, and in case if there is any correction, then now 25,800 going to act as major support for the market. So in case if we see any decline during the day, any correction during the day, then 25,800, 850, this is the range, should act as major support for the market, and strategy should be to look for adding some long positions between these levels. Keep a stop loss at 24,700 on intraday basis. But at the same time, if we see the markets are closing below the levels of 24,800, below the levels of 25,800, below the levels of 25,800, then in that case, we need to exit out of short-term long positions. But till then, we are expecting market to rebound to the levels of 26,050, 26,150 levels in the near term. At the same time, if we see the markets are very close to 26,100, then there we should look for reducing long positions. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw consistent uptrend, and 54,100 was the closing on Monday. Now the next level to watch out for would be 54,500, 600. In between 54,300 going to act as major resistance. Till Monday we saw buying interest in private banks. Now we could see some buying interest in PSU Banks because this PSU Banks found support near to the multiple support zone of last almost 8 months. So broadly, I am of the view that we could see some bounce back or short-term rally in PSU banks. In that case, we need to keep a close watch on stocks like State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, and Union Bank, where there is a fundamental upside. Also, if we go through with commodities, then Tata Steel, Steel Authority, these are the stocks which are very close to their support levels and rebounding from lower levels. So there we could see some buying interest, but the real buying support or fresh buying may occur in stocks like Jindal Steel and Power as well as Hindalco, because these stocks are very close to their highs. At the same time, the way there is possibilities of cutting further more rates in the US or in China will help commodities to do well in the near term. ONGC, Coal India, NTPC, Tata Power, these are the stocks where we are seeing buying momentum, and whenever there is a correction we are seeing reversal activity. So these stocks should also be on the watch list. Finally, for ITC and Reliance, these are the index heavyweight stocks along with HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is consistently doing well. It is heading higher. For Reliance, it is still struggling at 3,000, but broadly this stock is also heading for the levels of at least 3,075, 3,100 in the near term. So if there is any correction, then look for adding Reliance also to the portfolio. Finally, for ITC, it is forming some rising correction, and based on it the stock can move to the levels of maybe 530, 540. So there also we are bullish and look for adding some long positions with a stop loss close to 504. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's call. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a great day to all of you.